I took it. It's gone past now.
I don't mind.
Watch the camera doesn't fall in the water, God. That'll be it. That will take off for one for me.
Take out one from you.
Can you see me if you stand that close?
Yeah.
Clear.
Yeah.
Full. See full picture.
No.
How far can you?
I can see up to your knees.
Okay, go on. And the water, you can see the pool as well. Let's stay here. What if I stay here?
Too dark.
Too dark again.
Stand in there.
Stand here.
Wait. Stand with
Hold the camera properly. Hold the camera properly.
stand with one foot here and one foot in the shade. See how that works?
That's literally so much. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Get it out.
Yeah.
Okay, go on.
And I'm getting a bit of the water in